Hello there, I'm Sarah with WTI. When it comes to guests at my house or getting ready for a trip, I'm always looking for a stable place to keep my suitcase. And with this luggage rack from DomeNest, I have a place that is beautiful and sturdy. It holds my suitcase for me, and it also has a storage area underneath so I can place laundry or shoes in a beautiful, organized way. So my guests have somewhere to put all of their things, and it's not an eyesore. It's like an upgrade in the luggage rack you would get at a hotel, except it's made of a beautiful wood material. It comes fully assembled, but it folds up. So if you don't want to leave it on display, maybe you don't have a lot of room in your home or your guest area, you can fold it up and store it in a closet. I like leaving it out. I have a little bit of space and I think it looks beautiful. It's very welcoming, especially if you don't have storage in your guest room, like if you don't have drawers or places for your guests to put things. It gives them a really welcoming place for them to put their laundry, organize their things, and leave their suitcase. Now, just to give you an idea on size, I was able to place even my medium-sized suitcase, which is about 25, 26 inches, and it comfortably fit it. It's very sturdy, even fully weighted down. Now, if you want to open your suitcase, there's also room to do that. You just have to turn it sideways, and so you can open the suitcase if you're loading it and packing for a trip, or if your guests want to open their suitcase and unpack. It does have the ability for you to turn the suitcase sideways, and it still gives you a very sturdy base. It's well made, beautiful looking, and versatile. Whether you leave it out or want to store it away, this is a luggage rack that's going to add so much to your guest area. And that is my point of view.